Welcome to Milk Masters on the Move. I'm Chef Dwight.
I'm Chef Matt.
Normally, we're in a fully stocked kitchen cooking local, dairy-inspired dishes. But today, we're hitting the road to show you how easy it is to cook with local milk and dairy anywhere, even at the cottage. This morning, I'm cooking an apple French toast for me and Chef Matt. I'll need to have everything ready by the time Matt's finished setting up the table. We're about to have some fun. I hope you're ready.
I'm starving.
Oh, good. That's what I like to hear. It's always good when it's fresh, local butter. A nice sizzle there. We're looking for a beautiful brown butter on this for our crumble. It's gonna go on top of the French toast. This is so easy to make at home. Don't be intimidated by this at all. Then we're gonna move on to our apple compote. I'll be honest, there's one thing that I will say, and that you cannot make this dish without dairy. That butter, as well as the milk and cream, irreplaceable.
I'm just hungry, man. Like, it's making me work for this breakfast. It's okay, I'm trying to make a nice looking table here.
That is just a drizzle of Canadian maple syrup. In the meantime, let us make our royale for the French toast. We've got eggs, we've got local milk, we've got heavy whipping cream. It's absolutely delicious stuff. And it's just such a pleasure to be able to work with these local farmers in Ontario. The dairy is unmatched. Now we've made our royale. I want to season it really quickly. Perfect. Now, let's get a pan on for this delicious French toast we're about to do. All right, so in the meantime, let's make our whipped cream.
Chef, how's it going?
It's going very well, my friend.
All right, my table's almost done.
We're almost there.
Yeah.
Whipped cream is really gonna give this whole dish that oomph, that glue that brings everything together.
Look at you go making whipped cream for me like we're best friends here.
Are we not?
I mean, we are best friends.
We're almost there, Chef. I hope Matt's ready to eat.
Someone say ready to eat? What's going on?
We're almost ready. Pan's ready. We're about to sear French toast.
Oh, I love it.
And we're gonna have some fun here, buddy. Nothing can stop us now.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Look at that.
Oh, yes. This
Good,
is...
good color. Good color.
That's, oh,
beautiful.
yes. That's exactly what I wanted. Table's looking good?
Oh,
okay.
Cutlery.
Oh, you don't have the cutlery?
No.
Okay, come on, let's
Is this
go.
not like a taco French toast thing, or no?
No. Come
Okay.
on, man. And don't forget, this recipe can be executed inside, outside. It doesn't matter. The point is the flavor and the technique. Any kitchen will do. Beautiful French toast. Oh, yes.
Good news. Crisis averted, found cutlery.
Oh my gosh.
Knife and fork.
We're gonna be able to eat because I've also got some food ready in a second here,
Oh,
Chef.
look at that timing.
Brown butter crumble, apple French toast, whipped heavy cream. Can't wait for you to dive into this.
Oh, man.
Let's have some fun.
Listen, my table looks great. Let's just
Is
be
it?
honest. But that looks phenomenal. Like,
Hey, look at these. All right, Chef,
oh,
you ready?
Let's do this. That looks
That's what I was
fantastic.
hoping you'd say.
It smells fantastic. It looks fantastic.
Nice setup. Nice setup.
I tried my best.
You did a great job.
It's asymmetrical, you know. We tried that.
Oh,
Okay, I'm digging in. All right.
Please.
Oh my goodness. That is delicious. It's like you nailed the texture, the creaminess, the crunchy. You're right though, you're not making this without Ontario dairy. Because it's like, there's an element of richness here that just feels so perfect. I love that. Well done. Cheers, good sir. That was amazing. Dwight, this is fantastic. And if people want to make this at home, where are they going to find this recipe?
Easy to make, approachable. Thank you, Chef. Find it at milk.org.